Welcome to 411 Diski with SNS. My name is Fumanim Tombeni and I'm with our best director in the world, Spiwe Makeleni. Yeah. So today we're here to, let's not forget that, we are here with no VAR, but just vibes.
Just vibes.
Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe just down there on the button. Before we move any further, today we are here to speak about Kaizer Chiefs versus Amazulu.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, the game will take place on the 1st of October.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hectic game. Congrats to Kaizer Chiefs for qualifying for the next round in the Confederations Cup. Nonetheless, it's back to business in the league in South Africa. They had a good start, a very, very, very good and perfect start for a team that was willing to be champions.
Yes, man.
They got a loss against the Sekhukhune United.
Yeah.
They won loss at home. Very, very brutal beating. I think it also deserves a moment of silence. Secondly, to 411 District, it has been down for a while due to such injuries. But I suppose the less issues we need. But nonetheless, it was just the bad. We're just going through a lot as a team.
Yeah, man, we're going through a lot.
Just a change of face, a little bit adjustments of there and there. But because we are our viewers and fans, we have to provide content for you guys. We cannot allow life interject with what we love, which is giving you analysis and predictions for Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, and Sundowns.
Yeah, man. Without any further ado, let's jump to it, man. It's Kaizer Chiefs versus Amazulu.
Yeah.
Then the former player Kaizer Chiefs, which is the coach Atazwane,
Our legend.
Yes.
Yeah.
He's not just any other player, he's a legend.
Not a legend that plays 13 games. Our legend.
Atazwane.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Before we jump to it, what do you think to this game? Because of Sibone the very same TX Galaxy Shaye Amazulu 3-1.
Yeah.
So with Uatazwane knowing Kaizer Chiefs, maybe formation, and he's also a former coach in Kaizer Chiefs. So what's your take? Because of this Kaizer Chiefs is not the same Kaizer Chiefs Liaga Atazwane.
Well, there's also another point that I would like to add there. Well, playing against Sekhukhune is the same as playing against Amazulu. It's playing against another Sekhukhune.
Okay.
Sekhukhune has former players as the Orlando Pirates. Same applies in Kaizer Chiefs.
True.
Same applies to Amazulu as former players. Not just any players, but former key players as the Orlando Pirates.
True.
Former key players as the Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
You understand? So I think there's Mutware who plays for Amazulu.
Yeah.
There's Hendrik Xtien. Yes. That was our prospect. Before we sent him overseas, we were like, this is our star. You understand? So this is more of a clutch match. It's not gonna be easy. We sacked our coach at the most critical moment ever.
True.
Yeah, but I believe Uguti is gonna be a tough fixture for Kaizer Chiefs, given the fact that they suffered a loss against Sekhukhune while they were having a good run.
Yeah.
Soon after that, they had an away loss against Ikabasco, which they were playing over the weekend.
Yeah.
The game against TX Galaxy is a game they could have secured, but they didn't. Let's not forget that Kaizer Chiefs sacked their coach.
Yeah.
Who coached Nabi was sacked. And we didn't even deliver the news because of we were going through a lot. But Nabi was sacked by Kaizer Chiefs. But apparently his best friends and his best technical team is still there.
They're still there.
So so probably in the midst of everything, Nabi still with us in spirit. Yeah, you understand. Yeah, so Sibhlungu, we're not proud of what the management did as fans to you, Mr. Coach Nabi, but it happened. It had to happen the way it happened. Thank you for the net bank. And
So which player are you looking forward to see when it comes to both teams between Amazulu and Lucas?
Well, you must look at the style of play of Amazulu. They already have 2 red cards in the season.
Yeah.
So you must understand Uguti, they are a little bit reckless. You understand?
Yes.
Some players they overcommit, or should I say they lack discipline, because of if you get 2 yellow cards, it means you lack discipline. But if you get a straight red, sometimes it's due to carelessness, sometimes it's due to a mistake or an error.
Sure.
So players to look out for is about players like Abu Khater.
Okay, yeah.
Pule Extend that I mentioned.
Yeah.
I think it's Ben Mutswari. Yeah, Mutswari.
Ben Mutswari, yeah.
Those are the players we should look out for, because we've played against those players. We've played with Extend. We've played against Ben Mutswari. So there can be a recipe of destruction.
True.
In regards to Kaizer Chiefs, I think players like Abumtutuzi Shabalala should sit this one out and have like a moment, because of he was all over the place on Saturday. Yes, he did have nice plays, but I was not happy with his overall performance.
I'm gonna say same here, but when it comes to Tutuzi Shabalala.
Because of you saw the likes of our Bradley Cross, which was a shocking performance from him.
I told you about the Cross. Which he's a good player, but though I'm very disappointed.
No man, it's not a striker. He shouldn't be disappointed, but he should have grabbed the opportunity. It was a golden opportunity for him to shine. I would have been speaking great words about him right now, but it was, for me, overall his performance was beautiful. But the thing he sometimes runs out of position. Position it's left. Like he should have defensive instincts. Immediately when he loses the ball, he must track back to position. You understand? So he tracks back late, and then Utega Amalon. So another player to look out for, Abuli Lepo. We must have it in Solomons.
So tell me, what's your point when it comes to Dylan Solomon? Because he's the one that caused that goal with Zulea Palkor.
That boy is amazing. He was fighting for his position.
Man.
He understands Uguti. No, he was stepping up to the plate. Because of now he has to compete with that position.
True.
No, I'm mistaken. It's not Pasekamago, but it's Tabiso Munyani.
Tabiso Munyani.
Yes. When Tabiso Munyani comes back,
because of Munyani injured.
He's not injured. But when Munyani comes back, he knows that he has no place there because of we will select Munyani over him. True. But his performance on Saturday against Kobasco
was on steroids, man.
It was outstanding. It was an outstanding performance. Well, I think he had to be sad because of he has never played a 90-minute game, but he was outstanding. But it's good now that we know when Tabiso Munyani comes back, he will have a perfect sub. But for this game, I think Solomon deserves a position in the first 11.
True. Yeah. So what do you think about players like Abu Pulemodi, because they did step up in Abu Pulemodi?
Abu Pulemodi, they are good players, you understand. They can play when the team ilahile. They can play, you understand. Pulemodi is like a magician. Let's say a bad magician, actually. You understand? I can have a deck of cards, and then I show you 5. And then I put them in my cards foot. They say, Nyabuza, is this the card that you saw? Is this the card that you saw? I can ask you 52 times. Eventually I'll get to the card that you saw, you understand? So he's that type of player, but not taking what he did on Saturday. He played very well.
True.
I wish he can be consistent and carry on and play the way he played. You understand? Duduzi Sawalala should say, as I said, you should sit this one out. I would love to see a combination of Flavio Silva, Nolilebo.
My man.
Flavio Silva, but he's a player from Indonesia.
We don't know.
Indonesia. My guy, that guy is a potent striker.
That guy's good.
We're just waiting for him to shine.
True.
Let him get enough game time. We will see wonders. Another one I would say should sit on the bench. Gaston Sirino is not a bad player. It's just a second half player.
Yeah.
I would also love to see Umayo. Mayo should play together along with Flavio Silva and Lilebo. You see, the bench Kaizer Chiefs is amazing. I do not want to interject on Umtetwa. Umtetwa is a Kazande on steroids, a Kazande that's matured. Our fellow Mr. Matsuani, the other S is absent today. My brother, don't kill me for these words, but I would like to say that, I'm proven wrong. Umtetwa was playing forward passes as I asked him to, and they were beautiful. They were very beautiful.
I think it was not only us, because of if we could hear Amayama comments of other people, because if I had Dr. Kumali who was saying with him, and Mtetwa plays a good football, but his problem is that Utanama back pass more than a passer pambi.
But when he played forward passes on Saturday, they were brilliant, my guy. He created nice plays for the midfielders, for the wingers and the strikers when he played these forward passes. They say Kaizer Chiefs was playing bad football on Saturday. I just believe they were bad on the final touch. But before the final touch, the midfielders were doing their job, the defenders were doing their job. The goalkeeper was on vacation, but when he was called to the stage, he did an excellent job.
Yeah, man. Speaking of goalkeepers, what do you think of the goalkeeper Kimia Saturday? Because I think that man deserved a man of the match.
I know. You see, Miguel is what can I say? Miguel alone is enough arrogance from Angola. We don't need any other arrogance from Angola. You understand? So I believe no. He's good. He was not good. I just feel like Kaizer Chiefs just had bad luck. You understand?
In terms of them being able to score. But I feel like the way he was, that guy, the way as in big ups to him, man. Big ups to him. Personal, I'm saying big ups to him.
You can't say big ups to him if we have players that are operating Kosba Akamapiliti, you understand? Beautiful goal from the Lepo on Saturday. But you can't say big ups to him when if those opportunities were clinical, I don't think he stood a chance. Well, they gave him the ball. That's what I can say.
Maran Dog, out of how many balls that he managed to save?
No, man, it's nothing, man. If he was playing against
probably if he was playing against the Pirates,
they could have secured that win long time ago. All the opportunities that our opponents missed could have been scored there.
So what's your prediction?
My prediction, I would say it could be a draw. It could be a draw, whether 1-1 draw, or we can have Kaizer Chiefs winning this one 2-1, depending on who's starting the 11. If Serino starts this 11, it's going to be hard for Kaizer Chiefs to win this match. But if he's on the bench, I'm giving it a 2-1. If he starts the match, it's going to be a 1-1.
Okay, so me, I'm giving a both. There's a possibility that both teams might score. A draw, if not a 1-0. I don't think Kaizer Chiefs will surpass Boma 2, Boma in. I don't know. They
haven't done that.
They haven't done that after those.
No problem. In regards to that, Amazulu. That's another thing I forgot to mention. Amazulu has been playing bad away for the past 6 fixtures, but it's against Kaizer Chiefs, and we know with every team that plays against Kaizer Chiefs wants to prove themselves. So, it's gonna be a tough fixture.
So Sivala City, boy.
This is 411 Diski with SNS. My name is Fumani Ntomeni, where we give you no VR but just vibes.
Danko.